Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Windows 11 has several different types of recovery options in case you have problems with your PC. And somebody asked if I could do a series of videos on the different recovery modes and explain what are the differences. So the first one we're going to look at is a recovery that is used. So, for example, your system might work well. Things you do are okay, but you got little glitches like Windows Update doesn't want to update or has error messages. Some system files might, be corrupt. And, you got a working PC, but you can't update it and it just doesn't want to. So there's an option that Microsoft has created for that type of purpose, and it's the fix problems using Windows Update. So you go into the settings, into system, and go down to the recovery option. You'll see fix problems using Windows Update, and when you click reinstall now, it's just going to tell you if a repair solution is available. We'll attempt to fix system components corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. Your apps, documents, and settings will be preserved. So it says, please make sure your PC is on and connected to the network and a power source. After installation, we'll let you know when it's time to restart your PC to complete the repair. So basically, it goes online, it analyzes the telemetry from the machine and the error messages that you have, and will find a fix or try to find a fix and reinstall in some way your Windows operating system without you losing anything. So all your files are going to be there, your app's going to be there, everything is still going to be working, and hopefully it will fix things like Windows Update errors and problems or whatever else is a problem on your computer. So it is one attempt, one thing to try. This is really purely into your system works fine. You don't want to lose anything or your apps, but you got little glitches in the system itself, like Windows Update. So this is where this option is available, and it tries to fix your operating system so that it's back up and working. It will actually tell you to restart at a certain point. That's when you click the restart button, and you should have, if all goes well, a working PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.